Hi, in this lesson I'll show you how you can factorize quadratic functions. Now first you have to draw the grid lines which I've shown here. So you copy the first term and the constant term below here. Now think of two terms such that when they are multiplied together give you this term here, 6y squared. So they could be 2y multiplied by 3y. Alright? And to get positive 5, it could be plus 1 multiplied by plus 5. Okay. The next step, we take this and multiply by the term here. And take this number here and multiply by the 3y here. So when 2y is multiplied by 5, you get plus 10y. And plus 1 multiplied by 3y will give you plus 3y. Now the final step, you add these two together. Plus 3y plus 10y when added together give you plus 13y. Then you check, is this the same as the middle term here? You notice they are different. That means this is wrong. Let's try again. Okay, I'll now write down these two terms again, right at below here. 6y squared plus 5. Now, I just reverse the position of the 1 and 5 and see whether or not I'll get the middle term that I want. Again, here I write 2y and 3y. And I write the positive 5 at the top and the positive 1 below. Now I do this cross multiply again as previously. Now the 5y, the 5 multiplied by 3y will give me plus 15y. And the 2y multiplied by plus 1 will give me plus 2y. Now adding these two together will give me plus 17y. Now compare this with the middle term. It's the same. That means the two factors are this and this. Alright, so I just write down the two factors as 2y plus 5 and 3y plus 1. Alright, so that's the answer for number 1. Let's look at number 2. We do in the same way. Take the first term and the constant term and write them here. 10 x squared and negative 3. Now how do I get 10x squared? I can get it by multiplying 2x and 5x. To get negative 3, I can multiply positive 1 by negative 3. Now I multiply them diagonally as before. When positive 1 is multiplied by 5x, that will give me plus 5x. And 2x multiplied by negative 3 will give me negative 6x. When I add these two together, I should get negative x, which is the same as what I have here in the middle term of this function. So I know that I'm correct. These are the two factors. So the answer is 2x plus 1 and 5x minus 3. Now let's go on to question 3. Again, copy the first and last term below here. 2x squared and plus 15. Now 2x squared can be a product of x, 1x and 2x. Now 15. To get positive 15, you can multiply plus 3 plus 5. Or it can be negative 3 and negative 5. If you notice, the sign here is negative and positive. The first one is negative, the second is positive. Then the sign here are both negative. So it's negative 3 and negative 5. Alright, that's a tip to remember. So let's cross multiply and see whether we can get the middle term minus 11. So when you multiply diagonally, you will get minus 5x and minus 6x. Alright, when you multiply this way and multiply this way. Here will give you negative 6x. And this way, multiply will give you negative 5x. Now, when added together, this will give you negative 11x. Alright. Check back to the middle term. You notice it is the same. It means that the two factors are this. So we have the answer x minus 3 and 2x minus 5. Now for the final question, number 4. We write down n squared here and negative 12. N squared, of course, is n multiplied by n, and negative 12 can be plus 4 multiplied by negative 3, or it can be negative 3 on top and plus 4 below, or it can be negative 4 times positive 3. So let's try negative 4 and positive 3. Again, when you multiply them diagonally, you will get this multiplied by this will give you positive 3n. While this multiplied by this will give you negative 4n. So you notice when added together, this will give you negative n, which is different from what we have here. That means I have to change the sign. Alright? I have to change the sign. Alright, so here I have reversed the sign. Instead of negative 4 and plus 3, I change them to plus 4 minus 3. And again, cross multiplying, I get negative 3n and positive 4n. And adding this together, I get plus n, which is the same as what I have here. Alright? So therefore the two factors are this and this. So that's the answer for number 4. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you.